مرحبا Miss JJ's awesome 7th grade students. كيف حالكم؟ بخير؟ أهلا وسهلا and shukran because you joined me for today's lesson. Boys and girls, as you can see here, we have lesson 6 and we will be talking about adjectives. All right, so let's have a look at our learning target and see why we will be talking about adjectives. Remember, boys and girls, this is the lesson for the sports and hobbies unit. So previously we learned how to use the adverbs of frequency, sometimes, always, every day, and then you learned how to change the personal pronoun and the verb for like I play, he plays, she plays, ألعب, يلعب, تلعب, with also the different words that you learned. And today, this week, we will be talking about adjectives and how to put them in sentences, adjectives that we're going to use when we are talking about sports and hobbies. Lina, let's start. لنبدأ. So boys and girls, we have here 6 adjectives for you to learn and to apply them in sentences while talking about sports and hobbies. So the first adjective is talented. Talented in Arabic is موهوب. 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 The second adjective is fast. سريع. 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 The third adjective is ambition. He's ambitious. طموح. 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 Then we have famous. مشهور. 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 Then we have active. نشيط. 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 And after we have perseverance and determined. مثابر. 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 Let's say them one more time together. موهوب. سريع. طموح. مشهور. نشيط. مثابر. Good job, boys and girls. Good job. Here's a slide where you have the words, the adjectives written in both transliteration and Arabic. Let's say them again one more time. Talented, موهوب. Fast, سريع. Ambitious, طموح. Famous, مشهور. Active, نشيط. Determined, مثابر. All right, boys and girls, let's have a look now at how we can put these adjectives in sentences. And this is where you are going to apply what you learned in previous lessons when we are talking about a male or a female, feminine or masculine nouns. Remember, boys and girls, we learned how to say فنان, فنان, which is a male artist, or فنانة, which is a female artist. فنان, فنانة. And you also learned, boys and girls, that in Arabic, the verb and the noun and the adjectives, they all agree with the subject. So if the subject is a masculine, everything else that follows in the sentence should be in the masculine form. if the subject is feminine, everything that follows in the sentence should be in its feminine forms. The verb, the noun, and the adjective. Let's have a look here, boys and girls. This is a picture of a فنان. And it says here فنان مشهور. فنان مشهور, which means famous artist. And remember, in Arabic, we put the noun before the adjective. The English is the opposite way. We say famous artist. Famous is the adjective, artist is the noun. In Arabic, it's the opposite. فنان مشهور. And why did I say مشهور and not مشهورة? Because we are talking about a male artist, فنان. So my فنان here is مشهور, famous. فنان موهوب, ambitious. Talented, forgive me, he's talented. طموح, فنان طموح, ambitious. And فنان مثابر, he is determined. Let's have a look at the second picture. We have here a female artist, so automatically she is a فنانة. So my sentence will be فنانة مشهورة. Same thing, I put the noun first, then I put my adjective. فنانة مشهورة. فنانة موهوبة. Talented. فنانة طموحة, ambitious. فنانة مثابرة, determined. All right, so you notice the difference between فنان, فنانة, مشهور, مشهورة. All right, boys and girls? Have a look now at how we use the adjectives with the noun player or لاعب. Remember, boys and girls, we covered sports and hobbies. So now we will be talking about a لاعب. Same thing, famous player. The player here is a male, so player is لاعب. Famous is مشهور. Just like what we covered with the other slide with the فنان مشهور. Same thing, in English we put the adjective before the noun. In Arabic it's the opposite. We put the noun first, then the adjective. لاعب مشهور. لاعب مشهور, which means a famous player. هذا لاعب مشهور. This is a famous player. لاعب سريع, fast. لاعب طموح, ambitious. لاعب مثابر, determined. All right, so now let's have a look at the second picture. We have a female player, famous player, and she's a female. So the word لاعب will become لاعبة, because she's a female, and we are going to add an a at the end of our adjective because this is a female. لاعبة مشهورة. لاعبة مشهورة. لاعبة موهوبة, talented. لاعبة طموحة, ambitious. لاعبة مثابرة, determined. Okay, boys and girls? So you saw both slides, one with لاعب, لاعبة, and one with فنان and فنانة. And you also saw how the ending of the adjective changes depending whether my subject is masculine or feminine. Remember, boys and girls, we are going to do lots of activities in class, written and oral, when we are, in live class. So I would like for you to come, to try your best and come to our virtual lessons, because this is when, you will practice more. And all the activities are going to be posted on Google Classroom. All right? Right, my 7th graders, now I'm going to show you what we are going to do in lesson 7. You guys are going to do a project on a famous athlete or a famous artist. Anyone that you choose, any athlete, any artist that you like, you are going to do a project about him or her. You are going to record your voice while talking about the athlete or artist that you choose. And this athlete and artist can be anywhere from the world. All right? I'm going to show you the rubric. This is why we're going to start our name tracker with novice, because this is new, and hopefully by the end of the lesson you guys will be on apprentice in order to start working on your projects. All right, boys and girls, here is the rubric for the projects, and these are the words that you should know and use. We have player, لاعب, team, فريق, هو من or هي من, he is from, she is from, his or her number, رقمه, رقمها, his or her age, عمره, عمرها, إنجازات, his or her accomplishments, and الصفات, the traits. Okay, I put them here for you also in another table. اسمه, اسمها, عمره, عمرها, هو من, وهي من. So this is your task. You meet someone your age who speaks Arabic and is talking about his favorite athlete or artist. He started a conversation with you and he would like to know your favorite athlete or artist. You're going to make a visual Google slide, which means that you will be using, a Google slide document and talk about your favorite person. Please try to include the following information: their name, al-ism, age, al-umr, the sports they play, let's say كرة القدم, the sports traits, سريع, طموح, where they are from, مصر, the team uniform number like Liverpool, some of their accomplishments and how many years he or she has been playing, and a picture. So I have here a favorite athlete for you. My favorite athlete, Muhammad Salah by Miss JJ. So I have his picture here. See, guys, all you need is actually 3 Google slides, because here I put the information that I read here for you in Arabic. All right. اسمه محمد صلاح, عمره 28 سنة, his age, هو من مصر, he is from Egypt. Then this is the one here in English. I have here another picture of him. Name, Muhammad Salah, Egypt, he's a football player, Liverpool, number 11. We say football in the Arab countries. I know in the US we say soccer, but in the Arab countries we say football. And this is here my project in transliteration. So boys and girls, you're going to do this. I'm very proud of you, and you are going to record it, please, in order